If you are looking for a great facial cleanser, you're absolutely going to want to check this out. This is good for men and women, which I personally like because two people could use this if you like. Right over here, we got the directions right over here for optimal use. It says for optimal rinse face with warm water, gently massage dime-sized amount in your face, rinse with warm water and follow with a cold rinse to close the pores. For best results, follow the moisturizer for enhanced skin hydration. Really like this a lot. Love the pump that it comes with as well. It just makes it really easy to use. You're gonna get 100 milliliters with this. It'll last a long time. After putting it on your face, you could definitely tell a difference. It just feels really fresh. It's easy. You don't have to worry about any like harsh stuff that is in other types of things like this. If you're looking for a great facial cleanser, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this review.